Well, the weather is warm and the snow is melting, so I've been out a lot, getting the mill ready, working on logs and stuff, and so I have to be outside a lot right now. And because I'm out a lot, I happen to be catching Peeping Ken and his gang here just by chance each time I happen to be out with a camera, or just looking around in my herb bed over here, checking out the swamp, the pond in the yard. That's not going to show up, is it? Each time I just happen to be out. These are just the times in the past 24 hours that I've got him on video. There's a lot more on security footage that I won't show you because I don't want to share where my cameras are. But let's just say it's a lot. This guy is committed and dedicated to recording us and my wife and child playing outside all the time, which I'm not really appreciating. I was just going to put the one clip up on video, but there's so much of it now, I'm just going to share it in its own video. So here we go. He doesn't see me here. Peeping Ken. Oh, he's gonna go down in the wooded lot, and that's where he's going. Look at him, he's on my land telling me I'm crazy. Recording me. He's got a camera on me. This scumbag, this is sick. It's perverted. He's got a camera. Seeing what we're doing, he's got a camera pointed right at me right now. He doesn't even live in this town. Now I just happen to be out here by my orchard and looking at the fence lines, and where I was standing, there's no way he could have seen me. So he came by with his camera going just to record as he went by. That was pre-planned, and he was recording as he was going by intentionally to see what's going on here. I think he's a bleep. Well, I can't even say any other words, I think, or YouTube will bot me. Let's just say he records my wife and daughter playing in the yard all the time, and I don't like it. What he does with those videos annoys me, and I want it stopped. And I clearly saw him holding a camera. And by the way, I believe it's illegal to be holding a recording device and looking one way while driving your car in every direction. That was Peeping Ken. Comes by every day, all day, multiple times, all the time, to see what my girls are doing in the yard and record them. I don't like it. There he goes again, recording us all day, every day. He's making his rounds, round and round and round. There he is. That's one of Peeping Ken's friends. What a day today. What is wrong with him today? My wonderful dog just alerted me that somebody was parked outside our garage. Outside our fence right here. Oh, I love my dog. So I know who that one is too. He's been saying he's been by a lot. These freaks, they got nothing else to do.